Hi, you're welcome to Success Tips. In this video today, we will be starting the long-awaited entrepreneurship series. This series will contain more than 10 episodes which will be recorded in different videos. And you guys will get an episode every Saturday until you receive a complete package of what you need in order to run a successful business. In this very episode, which happens to be episode 1, we will be looking at the general introduction to the entrepreneurship series, where we are going to be looking at why people fail in business. We will also look at what you should expect in the entire entrepreneurship series, and lastly we will also look at some important terminologies and their meaning. Now let us get straight into it. Why do people fail in business? Why is it that many businesses never see the light at the end of the tunnel? There may be many factors attached to that, but to summarize everything, many businesses fail because the owners never learned the different variables of business, and that in return makes every little storm and uncertain situation leads to their extinction. Many businesses crashed because of small avoidable situations, and that happens mostly because the business owners lacked business foresight. This series has been designed in order to provide a clear roadmap to a successful business. If you are an entrepreneur or an aspiring entrepreneur, then you need to journey through this business series. Having said that, this takes us to the second part of this video. What are you going to expect in this entrepreneurship series? There are many interesting areas that you're going to learn around the field of business and entrepreneurship. And part of it is that you are going to learn about product development, you will learn about marketing, you will learn about client management, you will learn about premise management, business expansion, risk management, control of fraud and corruption, staff management, copyright management, you will learn about using people's funds, you will learn about leadership, crisis management, and so many interesting topics that you will be able to go through and then learn so much about them in order to be able to run a successful business. I want to assure you that going through this business series is going to be a life-turning moment for you and your business. And lastly, we are going to conclude this episode by looking at some important terminologies and their meaning. At the course of going through this business series, you will come across a lot of terminologies, but there are some important few ones that you will come across repeatedly. And part of those terminologies include entrepreneurship, which is the art and science of innovation and risk-taking for the purpose of making profit. We have innovation, which is the introduction of something new. We have risk, which is a possible adverse event or outcome within a business setting. We have profit, which is a total cash flow, income or revenue minus your expenditures. We have business, which is a specific commercial enterprise or an establishment. We have product, which is a commodity being offered for sale. We have services, which is an art of providing such services for commercial purposes. We have marketing, which is the art of promoting, distribution, and the sale of product and services. We have client, which is a customer, a buyer, or a receiver of products and services. We have staff, which refers to the employees of a business. We have what we call copyright, which is an exclusive right as it pertains to one or more specific works. We have crisis, which refers to an unstable situation. There are many terminologies you will come across, but these are the prominent ones that will keep coming repetitively. I hope that you will give your time and attention to this business series in order to build your business empire. And I hope that we are going to have a lot of great businessmen and women who will emerge as a result of this business series. This brings us to the end of this episode. If this was your first time on this YouTube channel, I will want you to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that when the next episode comes up, you will be notified. And if you are a returning viewer, I would love to say thank you. I will need just one favor from you. Please share this video with just one person. Thank you, and see you guys in the next episode. Bye.